Hi guys, in this video I show you how to print multicolor model on single nozzle 3D printer. First of all, select your 3D model, slice it and export G-code. Now find the layer on which you want to change color. In my case is 5th layer, 0.75mm high. Visit web page work.prusaprinters.org/colorprint and load your G-code. You can find link in video description. Click on Add Color Change button and set layer height with color change. In my case 0.75mm. If you want another color change, just click again on Add Color Change. When you finish with editing G-code, download it and start printing. When printer hit layer with color change, nozzle moves to side and printer asks you for filament change. When you put new filament, extrude it a little to clean nozzle and then confirm resume print. And this is all. For this method of color printing you need printer with display. Without display it is not working.